Many people reach midday and instinctively place a hand on their lower back, hoping the discomfort fades. That ache is not simply aging catching up with you. It is your body quietly asking for better movement and gentler attention. Relief does not come from doing more exercises. It comes from doing the right ones with purpose and understanding. In this video, we reintroduce 5 common movements, but with new science-driven guidance tailored specifically for adults over 60. These movements go beyond basic stretching. They help reconnect the brain to the spine and the deep stabilizing muscles that support balance, coordination, and posture. With just a few mindful minutes each day, you can change how your back feels and how freely you move. This guide shows that your mobility does not have to decline with age. In fact, it can improve. The first exercise, the pelvic tilt, serves as a gentle awakening for the spine. Though simple, it restores awareness of how the pelvis, core, and spine work together. Long periods of sitting cause key, stabilizing muscles to weaken and switch off. This controlled motion brings them back online, easing pressure in the lower back and helping your posture realign naturally. The focus is smooth, steady breathing and small, mindful movement. The second exercise, the glute bridge, strengthens the hips and protects the lower back. The glute muscles tend to weaken as we age, especially with sedentary lifestyles. When they stop doing their job, the spine absorbs extra stress. The glute bridge shifts the load back to the hips, supports the posterior chain, and enhances balance, an essential factor for preventing falls. Each lift builds strength from the ground up. The third movement, bringing one knee toward the chest, works as a calming release for the lower back. It gently decompresses the spine, loosens tight hip flexors, and can relieve pressure on the sciatic nerve. Deep breathing during this stretch relaxes the body and improves circulation to the lower spine. It is a simple motion that helps dissolve stiffness and restores ease. The fourth movement targets the piriformis muscle. Deep in the hip, a muscle often overlooked, but responsible for many sciatic symptoms. When tight, it compresses the nerve and creates pain down the leg. This stretch opens space around the hip and allows the sciatic pathway to relax. It improves hip mobility and contributes to steadier walking, particularly important for older adults. The fifth movement focuses on the hamstrings, which strongly influence the lower back. Over time, inactivity can make them feel tight and reduce their elasticity. A gentle hamstring stretch reawakens these muscles, improves blood flow, and helps realign the pelvis. The goal is not reaching far, but moving slowly, breathing deeply, and allowing the muscles to gradually release.
For older adults, progress comes from consistency rather than effort. Doing a couple of these movements in the morning and a couple in the evening can bring meaningful improvement without strain. Use pillows, chairs, or walls as needed. What matters most is showing up regularly, not pushing your limits. By practicing these exercises, you reclaim mobility and remind your body that healing is still possible. Lower back pain may quietly take joy out of daily activities, but intentional movement gives you back control. Each repetition tells your nerves and muscles that you can still grow stronger and move confidently at any age. Movement is a form of freedom, and that freedom continues well past 60. Return to these exercises whenever you feel stiff, tired, or tense. Let them guide you back into alignment and ease. Healing happens through motion, and motion remains your lifelong ally. Keep moving and keep rising.